Ever wondered why sneezes are so powerful? In the next few seconds, you'll learn surprising facts about sneezing. First, a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah. Also, sneezing is a defense mechanism to clear our nasal passages. Some people sneeze when exposed to bright light, known as a photic sneeze reflex. It's hereditary and affects about 18% of the population. You can't sneeze in your sleep because your brain shuts down the reflex. Hit the like button if you found this useful.